Can I fix a cup of coffee? Huh? Can I? Because I will.
Okay, on number 7, it says to graph the following functions and state the domain and range. If you're going to plug this into the calculator and get a t-chart, for x and y, if you have -3, 0, if you plug in 1, you get -4, and 6 will give you -6. And so if you were to graph that, that would be -3, 0. It's hard to make a dot there. 1, -4, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, -6. So it starts right there and we'll go that way. Okay, if you're going to state the domain, the smallest x, it begins at -3. So the domain begins at -3. It also includes it and goes all the way to infinity. And the range, because that arrow is going down, it begins at -infinity and goes all the way up to 0. And it includes it. You can't include infinity, so it gets a parentheses. Okay, on number 8, you have the cubed root of 1/4 x minus 2. You have x over y. If you begin with -4, your y value would be -3. And just plug these in the calculator and get these values. 0, plug 0 in, you get -2. And if you plug 4 in, you get -1. So if I plot those points, it's -4, 0, -2, and 4, -1. Okay, so when we connect these, it's going to look kind of like that. The domain goes from -infinity to +infinity, and even though it looks like it's just going east to west, the range is also going from -infinity to +infinity.